Welcome back, Clean TV Style. Hi, my name is Naz Lamarca. I'm the owner of a small biotechnical company by the name of South Seas Marketing LLC. As most of you know, or some of you know, that have been following these little episodes, this is what we call the Earth Day Project. On Earth Day 2014, me and my little merry band of men set out to prove to everybody, the politicians, the naysayers, everybody who just felt like there wasn't a better way to do things, that there actually was a better way to clean a lake. Mostly this goes out to you politicians who are signed up with contractors who want to say that fish kills are necessary, that the weeds in a lake would choke out the lake if they didn't spray chemicals and pesticides in them, and sometimes you just have to kill fish and you have to kill creatures, and you just have to do that because if you don't, then the weeds and the algae and all that kind of stuff will choke out a lake. What you're about to see is proof positive that that is absolutely positively false, and it's incorrect. I'm parked over here at this little spot, partially because this was one of the worst spots in the lake, but also because it's awfully windy here. My little canopy that I made, or didn't make, or bought, it acts like a sail, and so it's when you're in a rubber boat with a sail on it, you got wind, it makes it very difficult to try and control yourself. But what I want to do, and what you're about to see, is going to be a compilation of some before and after photographs, some during photographs, and just some of the stuff that we did when we came out here. And then I'm going to take you and I'm going to motor down to the other end of the lake, and I'm going to show you the bottom of this lake so that you can see that there is no weeds, there is no algae, and there has never been a single creature hurt in the cleaning of this lake. Not a fish, not a crustacean, nothing. There's never been a pesticide, there's never been a chemical, there's never been anything other than 100% natural, organic bioenzymes, microorganisms, and Mother Nature's own bacteria that's been used to clean this lake. So for all of you out there that think that you have to use chemicals and pesticides, or believe that you have to kill fish in order to save some of these lakes, this is for you. This is to let you know this is not true. Unfortunately, on this lake, with everything where man has come around, there is foreign objects put into it. Well, the fall has just come. There's been a lot of leaves and whatnot, sticks and other pollutants that are in the lake, and it is now almost 1 year since we went ahead and treated this lake, and it needs to be treated again. So I just wanted to get out here and show you one last time what it looks like and what it did look like. And unfortunately, if I don't get the funding to retreat it very, very quickly, then I expect it to start looking like it did in the before pictures quite quickly. So I'm going to enjoy the boating while I can, and I'm going to hope that some of maybe my neighbors or one of my local politicians will come out and help with some funding so that we can retreat this lake and make sure that it stays looking the way that it is now. But I'd also like to go ahead and invite anybody who lives on a lake that's looked like what this used to and would like to have it look like it does now. Feel free to contact me. You can go to southseasmarketing.org. There's a contact me there, or you can call me on my cell phone. That's 954-383-8701. You can also come to see me on Facebook and that's www.facebook.com/cleanwaternaturesway. And you'll find both my business and a link to my personal page. Feel free to contact me either way. So I'm going to go ahead and be quiet now, and I'm going to put this together for you. I'm going to motor down there, and I'll show you what this beautiful lake looks like underneath. So just bear with me a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, we're back down the other side. I am going to try and just shut this motor off and put this down in the ground, and hopefully the wind will just kind of push us along so I'm not going too fast. If I have to turn it on a couple times, I will, but I'll try and keep it off so I don't blow the dirt up. But let's give you an idea of what this looks like. Hope you guys enjoy.
Drink this whole six-pack. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here, right now with you. Can't you see that I'm sitting right here at the end of the dock going fishing? I got this old tank top and a pair of flip-flops and jeans, and I'm sitting right here at the end of the dock going fishing. Dirty old creek. I've got the time, whether it's rain or shine. All that matters is what's biting at the end of the line.